Hello students. Students, today we are going to study the poem The Quarrel. It is written by Eliana Farjion. Quarrel means a fight. It can be between anyone. Students, but here today we will talk about the fight or quarrel between brothers and sisters, or you may say siblings. It is common for brothers and sisters to quarrel, although sometimes they may not be able to say that why they quarreled. So let's study in this poem. For how long does such quarrels last? And how do they end? The concept of the poem is siblings' love and mutual understanding between them. By the end of the poem, you will be able to recite it with proper rhythm and appreciate its aesthetic beauty. You would be able to recognize and appreciate the thought of the poem too. Students, first of all, let us become familiar with Aliénor Farjeon. Aliénor Farjeon was born on 13th of February 1881, Strand, London, England. She was an English author of children's stories and plays, poetry, biography, history, and satire. Several of her works had illustrations by Edward Addison. Some of her correspondence has also been published. She won many literary awards. Some of her notable awards are Carnegie Medal in 1955, Hans Christian Andersen Award in 1956, and the Aliénor Farjeon Award for Children's Literature is presented annually in her memory by the Children's Book Circle, a society of publishers. She was the sister of thriller writer Joseph Jefferson Farjeon. She died on 5th of June 1965 at Hampstead, London, England. Some of her notable works are The Little Book Room, Morning Has Broken, Blackbird Has Spoken, The New Book of Days. So students, now let us recite the poem The Quarrel. I quarrelled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. By Eliana Fagion. So students, let us listen to the explanation of the first stanza of the poem. The poet had a fight with his brother. Both of them were fighting and were not even aware of the cause of the fight was. The fight was happening because of a series of things. Means one thing was leading another. One thing was giving way to another. While fighting, both fell down. In the beginning, the fight was modest and was not very serious, but gradually it grew intense and became a serious issue. His brothers said that he was right, whereas the narrator was thinking himself on the right side. Now let us listen to the explanation of the second stanza of the poem. Now in the noon the fight became serious and both started hitting each other. They didn't like one another. All of a sudden, Poet's brother hit her on the back and asked her to get along, as it was not the right thing to pull the matter throughout the night. he also declared humbly that he was wrong, which proved his generosity. This moved the poet's heart, and he realized that he was wrong. Students, word meanings are written at the end, and you can learn them. I hope all of you must have enjoyed and understood the poem. Students, there is a very important message conveyed by this poem. So let us discuss that message. Every person has her own opinion, and when we make friends or live with a sibling who has different point of view than our own, we can have quarrel. Means if we are living with a person whose opinion is completely different from ours, so there can be an argument. But we should not take that quarrel further and spoil our relationship. We change our opinions as time goes by. So we should try to understand other person's point of view before getting into any kind of argument. Thank you.
भोली भाली चा पानी गुड़िया जैसी तू, प्यारी प्यारी जादू की पुड़िया जैसी